Liniar's innovative range of uPVC fencing is an attractive alternative to more traditional fencing products. The Liniar system is installed in exactly the same way as concrete or timber, but offers a more varied and durable solution. Because linear posts and gravel boards are around 10% of the weight of concrete, they can be lifted easily for a simpler installation. And unlike timber, it's completely maintenance-free. Clips or brackets are used to attach timber panels to timber posts, which don't always offer the greatest resistance against strong winds. The H design of linear rebated fence posts means that panels slot securely into position. Liniar's uPVC boards are extruded to a consistent size, meaning that each and every one is the correct width. If cutting is required, this can be done quickly and neatly with a handsaw. Linear panels are formed by stacking our uPVC boards on top of each other, making it incredibly simple to accurately locate each post by placing a single board into position. Once all posts and boards are in place, linear post caps are applied for a perfect finish. If you need to replace old, existing timber fencing, Liniar's uPVC boards simply slot into concrete posts to create a full panel. As your concrete post may not have been perfectly moulded or may have shifted slightly over the years, a rubber mallet may be necessary to tap the boards into position. Liniar's uPVC fencing system doesn't rot, chip, corrode or require painting. And because there's no risk of splinters, it's also more child-friendly than timber. For more information, go to www.liniar.co.uk.